Hey YouTube creators, it's Jay. Today we're exploring the transformative power of AI in video editing and how recent YouTube statistics can help you create more engaging content. Stick around until the end to learn how you can grab my free ebook. It's all about YouTube and video editing, which I'll get into later, and an exclusive 1-hour training video. It's going to be directly below in the video description box. Let's dive into this video. These are some very cool statistics about YouTube, the future of video marketing, and video editing in general. So I'm going to cover all that in this video. With that being said, let's start out here. The power of video in 2024. Video engagement statistics. Viewer retention and engagement. 95% retention. Viewers retain 95% of a message when watching it on video compared to just 10% when reading text. 80% visual focus. Viewers have an 80% chance of focusing on visual overlays on the screen. Now, these two I circled I thought were really interesting that I didn't know. 1,200% increase in sharing. Videos are shared 1,200% more than links and text combined, which means, yes, videos are shared a lot more than our blog posts. So, graph. Video retention sharing statistics. Short form video popularity. 59% of Generation Z use short-form video apps to discover content before watching longer versions. 56% of videos. Over half of all produced videos are shorter than 2 minutes, catering to the audience preference for concise content, aka YouTube Shorts. We all know them. Pretty much similar to TikTok. Learning and information retention. 86% of U.S. viewers frequently use YouTube to learn new things. So that's quite a bit. That's almost 90%. 9 out of 10 people going on YouTube are looking to learn new things, which is cool. It's a good platform to do that. 80% retention. Short, concise video content increases focus and encourages long-term information retention by 80%. So I did not know that one. That's pretty cool. Here's a table on short-form video popularity. Generation Z using short-form apps, 59%. Videos under 2 minutes, 56%. U.S. viewers using YouTube for learning, which we covered earlier, at 86%. Information retention with short videos, 80%. So if you're watching a short video, obviously you're going to retain the information a lot better than you're going to when watching a longer video, which has a lot more information to absorb. Makes sense. YouTube growth after March 2024 Google update. This is pretty cool. YouTube monthly active users. And this isn't after the monthly update. It's close to it, but the Google update was in March, and this is up to January. But you're getting a hint, and it's growing since then. Since January 2024, 2.7 billion, up from 2.6 billion. And then it goes through the different years, how it's steadily growing. And it's probably closer to 3 billion now. And I'm recording this in almost June of 2024. End of May, so I'm assuming it's getting pretty close with a lot of people going over it after that Google update. A lot of people are concentrating more on video marketing and alternative traffic sources to bring in traffic to their blogs and websites. Chart, growth of YouTube monthly active users. This is YouTube premium subscribers, which I am one of them, and I love it. But this is the worldwide premium subscribers and U.S. premium subscribers. Up to February 2024, you got 100 million premium subscribers on YouTube. That's a lot. And 27.9 in US. In 2023, you had 96.8. So you have a growth of 3.2% for worldwide from 2023 to 2024. And I couldn't even do the percentage on this one. Almost a full percentage point. Actually, over a full percentage point. 1.2% from 2023 to the beginning of 2024. It's not even over yet, so it's going to go up from there. You can see the stats of the premium subscribers there. User engagement. Time spent on YouTube every day is 30 minutes for the average user. Every week, 3 hours and 30 minutes. Every month, 15 hours. Every year, 182 hours and 30 minutes. That's crazy. So people love YouTube, as you can see by this table there. Now here's the different devices that people use YouTube on. Desktop, laptop, you got 348.3 million people. Mobile, or Android, iOS operating system, 1.29 billion. Other devices, 1.058 billion. So the majority of the people are on their mobile devices, 1.29 billion. And then you got other devices and then desktop, laptop. I use it on both, but I can see how more people use it on their phones. Everybody always has a phone in hand, so that makes sense. Additional benefits of AI-powered video editing. Now we're going to dive into video editing here. Efficiency and productivity, editing time. AI can reduce video editing time by up to 30%, allowing you to produce more content in less time. And that's what we're all trying to do as YouTube video creators. Content suggestions. AI tools can suggest the best moments to highlight, improving overall video quality and engagement. Advanced features, voice recognition, automate tasks with voice commands, making editing more accessible. Real-time collaboration, cloud-based editing allows multiple editors to work on the same projects simultaneously, enhancing teamwork and productivity. And here's my ending here. After getting through all these facts that I found very interesting, that's why I want to make this video. Now that you're equipped with these powerful insights, it's time to take your YouTube channel to the next level. Download my free ebook, Revolutionize Your YouTube Channel with Cutting-Edge AI, and gain access to my exclusive 1-hour training video, AI Writing Secrets Exposed, Creating Irresistible Content with ChatGPT that Ranks. So I'm going to show you my page here where you can pick this up. Link's going to be directly below. And then I'm going to end this video. But these are all very cool facts I found. If you're a blogger and you're a marketer, affiliate, whatever you happen to be, you're running a business online, and you got hit with the latest Google update, or maybe you've always been a YouTube creator and you always stuck with that, you just want to grow your channel, you're going to want to pick up this book, and you're going to get this 1-hour free video that's very good content. It took me forever to put together, that shows you how I use ChatGPT to create human-like content. And this is the prompt I'm using. It's called the Super Prompt for human-like undetectable AI content. If you're a ChatGPT Plus user, you can pick that up in the GPT store. So go on over here and give me a good rating. I'd appreciate it. And I'm also going to be giving away the code for this, the whole prompt for this, specific prompt in a later video. So if you want to pick that up, watch out for my future videos. I'm going to give away actually the whole prompt itself, where you can edit it to your liking, but it's really good as is. So with that being said, let me show you this. And this is the page. Revolutionize your YouTube channel with cutting-edge AI. Download your free guide instantly. And just enter your email, your best email, and I'll send it over to you ASAP. And this is the page you're going to see right here. So come on over. If you like this video, I'd appreciate you give it a thumbs up. I appreciate you watching. If you have any questions about what I went over, feel free to ask in the comments section. But I just thought this was a really cool information that I didn't know, that I was actually doing research for myself about YouTube and how it's growing, and like the different statistics of video marketing that I thought my readers would find very beneficial. So that being said, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.